Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'm preparing mutton dansak for you. I'll be giving you the recipe and the ingredients. 1 kg mutton I've marinated, 1 hour I've marinated this. This is dhan sak. Dhan yane all these lentils and sak is a vegetable. So this is 1 cup of tur dal. I soaked it say 2 hours. I'll be adding chana dal, masoor dal and moong dal. All these lentils I will pressure cook. So here goes my tur dal. Then this is the chana dal. This is the moong dal. For my regular food, I cook with the moong dal and masoor dal. So today I'll be adding tur and chana dal. Tur dal is the base. This is the masoor dal. These are all 1 tablespoon I've taken, and the main tur dal I've taken 1 cup. Now with the dals, yes, you have to add turmeric powder. So 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Just a little salt here. Okay, the vegetables I'm taking pumpkin, brinjal, tomatoes, potato, onion,
and methi
garlic, ginger
leaves.
I've already added to the mutton. And these are special masalas I have. Dansak masala, and this is the Pasi sambar masala. Like I use Pathar Prabhu sambar masala, the Pasis even have their own sambar masala. Okay, so I'll be adding these. They are very important ingredients. They are taking care of all the other spices I have to use otherwise. Okay, now I'll just add the vegetables in this and pressure cook it. Fine, so my potatoes and brinjal that I chopped, keep them in the water before you start cooking them. Tomatoes I will add last. I put the pumpkin in this with my dal, and this is the brinjal and the potatoes. Fine. Okay, now I will just add a little more water in this and pressure cook this. Or let this 3 whistles pressure cook. I'll keep it on high flame. Okay, the tomatoes have chopped. I've chopped the onions. Hey, hi Amol, surprise.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you making today?
One of your favorite, mutton dansak.
Wow, mutton dansa is one of my most favorite dishes.
You come at the right time, Amol. Do you watch Kalpana's Kitchen?
I do watch. In fact, Kalpana's Kitchen was a great learning experience for me. I was living on my own in Rotterdam. I used to go to Kalpana's Kitchen on YouTube and I used to just watch it and I used to prepare my meal.
Any one dish you have watched the video and prepared?
Kolambica bujra.
Ah,
It
great.
was one of my favorite. You have explained it so nicely, layman like me, preparing the dish for the first time. It's easy to make and easy to prepare.
Now today you are going to see how I prepare dansak,
Okay.
and
I'll learn and I'll prepare it myself at home.
and then you're going to call me for
Of course.
dansak. Okay, pressure cooker is already with lentils and vegetables, and now there's a second cooker. I will add this mutton and cook the mutton. Just mixing the two and you get a lovely dansak.
Okay.
Second cooker is here. I've taken approximately 2 tablespoons ghee here. Let the ghee get melt. You can add oil also, okay? This is jeera, that is cumin seeds. I've taken 2 teaspoons. Add the onion. Let the onion cook a little, let them change their color. Then I'll add the mutton. Fry till the mutton changes color. All this time the flame is on high. Now see, I fried this. The mutton has changed color. The mutton is nearly half cooked now because I've marinated this for some more than an hour now, and I'm frying this. See the color of the mutton, you can see. Now I will add the tomatoes. The dhansak masala I will add last while mixing both the dal and the mutton. Fine. So the mutton will cook in this onion and tomato. I'll just sprinkle a little salt here. Getting ready for the dansak. Now this dansak, again 3 whistles. Keep it on sim for 5 minutes and put it off. In the meantime, this dal is being cooked. Okay friends, you have seen how I have cooked the lentils and the vegetables, and I have beaten it a bit to get this pouring consistency. Now I kept the other cooker with my mutton in that. It's ready. Wow, look at this mutton. Can you see this? The tomatoes are cooked, the mutton is nicely cooked. I have to just add this and my dansak masala now. Okay, I've added the two now. Now my masalas go in there. I'm using this Parsi sambar masala. I've taken 2 tablespoons of this. And this is the dansak masala. 2 tablespoons dansak masala. I'll keep this on the flame for some time and the dansak is ready. Now we just give one boil and this for the masala to cook. Okay, I have mixed the two vegetables and dal and the mutton and let me taste now if it's okay, if the masalas are fine and cooked. Okay, the dansak is ready, Amol, for you. Here goes.
Wow.
Hey, that's
Exactly
spicy, huh?
like no, it's exactly like in fact it's even better than Parsi.
Ah. Share this recipe with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or you have any which are not clear in this video, do not hesitate to contact me and I would love to help you out. Okay, bye friends, see you.